Rosellas are colorful parrots from Australia, in a genus that consists of 6 species. The 4 most commonly seen are described in the video. The green Rosella is only found in Tasmania. It has a dark mottled color on its upper body, with a striking yellow head and belly that is very obvious when it is flying. The plumage of the eastern Rosella is especially vividly colored, red and yellow with blue, green and black. Despite their bright colors, their plumage is patterned, so that it creates an extremely effective camouflage. Pale-headed Rosellas feed mainly on the ground, but also in trees and shrubs. They feed more often in shade than in sunlight. They also frequent feeders. The crimson Rosella is probably the most easily recognized Rosella, with its red, blue and black coloring. It makes a characteristic cussit-cussit call. It is seen feeding on the ground and frequenting feeders. We were lucky to catch one feeding on apples near the Ebbea Falls.